Alright guys, what I'm going to show you how to do today is a simple JavaScript hack that's really kind of a dirty trick. This shows you how someone might take over your computer with JavaScript. That's why it's often blocked by default when you hit a web page with that. So I'm going to open up this. I've made 3 web pages and I want you to do the same. We've got our first line, doctype.html. We've got HTML, body tags, all pretty straightforward. Then just a line of text saying what it does, and then we need our script tag, add the opening and closing tag. That way everybody knows it's JavaScript. And we're going to do here on line 8, type this out. This creates a variable named x. That's just variables is something we can store data in. In this case, we're just going to store a simple number in there. So we're going to set it equal to 0. Then we're going to create a function called openPopup. And this function is like a pre-made activity that we can call upon. And we call upon it right down here with openPopup semicolon. When this line is encountered, that means execute all of this code. So enter an opening and closing curly brace. Those are above your enter key. And then we're going to have a while loop, which means we're going to keep repeating this code until this proves to be false. So right now x is 0. So when this is evaluated, x is less than 1, that's going to say, well, that's true. So then we're going to execute this code. We're going to open, it's going to window.open, that's going to force our next web page, popup1.html, to open. And it'll be that size. And this is a shortcut for just adding x to 1. So next time through the loop, x is now equal to 1, so this is false. So it'll skip out of this, then exit here, and it's done with the function. And that's it. Now, the next two ones, popup1 and popup2, are almost identical. So, have your doc type, header style, because we're going to add a little color to this. Just add the body tag, background color is red, close your style, close your head, then we open our HTML tag. Now here's where we call upon something cool. In our body tag here, on unload, which means when we X out of the page, when we X out of there, it's going to call my function, which is a function we've declared down here. And I'll go over that in just a second. So type in just a line of text so we have something on the screen. It says hi from popup1. I'm going to consolidate this a little bit, make it look a little prettier. And then we have function, my function, that's the name of the function, is window.open popup2.html. So when this page closes, it's going to open popup2. Now popup2's command, our contents is almost the same, so you can probably just save popup1 as popup2 and don't run any of these yet. Change that to green just so we have a different color. Change that to 2. And then you'll change this to popup1. Once you have that working, let me know. And I'll give you some extra credit.